If the battery is stuck at 80% when charging your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case, to fix this, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and search the battery option. Once you go to battery, then in here we need to find the battery protection, and this is the reason why your battery can be stopped at 80% while charging. So if you choose the manual schedule option, you have two things that you can do one or the other thing. So you can set this option to always, so that you were always limited to 80%. And if you choose specific hours, then only during specific hours you will be able to charge to 80%, and then for the rest of the day you will be able to charge to 100%. So of course this depends if you need to have the battery protection enabled or not. The smart schedule also limits battery charging to 80%, especially at first it might limit to 80% if there is not enough information gathered by AI, which is supposed to create like a pattern, how often you charge your phone, when you charge, when you stop charging, etc. And then based on that information, it is supposed to stop charging at 80% and then resume from 80% to 100% whenever it knows or it tries to predict when you are about to unplug the power adapter soon. And if you want to completely turn off any overcharging protection, then of course you can just turn this whole thing off, and then you should be able to charge all the way to 100% all the time. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.